Hey everyone, Sam Battersby from Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our foaming metal detailer. This fast-acting foam and wipe detailer removes smudges and grime while enhancing the shine of any and all bare metal surfaces. It makes quick work of fingerprints, fresh water spots, grease, and more, while leaving behind a protective film that resists resoiling and helps prevent the need for additional polishing. Foaming metal detailer is formulated to cling to the surface, preventing annoying drips and ensuring neat, even application. Use your foaming metal detailer on stainless steel, chrome, aluminum, and more. After shaking the can, apply a light, uniform coat of foam, spraying with the can about 6 inches from the surface. Then using a clean microfiber towel, the PFM towels work excellent, wipe in one direction to remove the majority of the foam. If working on bare metal or stainless steel, be sure to follow the direction of the grain. Flip the towel for a final wipe and quickly buff to a perfect finish. Use foaming metal detailer anywhere that you want a clean and protected metal surface. It works awesome on stainless steel workbenches or toolboxes, chrome or raw aluminum wheels, stainless ranges, refrigerators, barbecues, and the list goes on. When working on heavily caked up gunk on engines or things like barbecue grills or stovetops that have excessive grease and grime buildup, pre-clean the surface with our Citrus multi-surface cleaner. Foaming metal detailer is an excellent way to clean, polish, and protect and maintain any metal surface, keeping it looking its absolute best. Thank you for watching. For more information on our foaming metal detailer, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.